Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to turn off auto renewal for Xbox Game Pass. If you don't want your subscription to renew automatically, you can turn off recurring billing at any time. This allows you to continue using Xbox Game Pass until the end of your current billing period, and you won't be charged again unless you manually renew your subscription. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft account website. Now sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your Xbox Game Pass subscription. Once you're signed in, go to the Services and Subscriptions page. Here, locate your Xbox Game Pass subscription. It may appear as Game Pass Core, Game Pass Standard, or Game Pass Ultimate, depending on your plan. Now click Manage next to your subscription. On the Subscription Details page, you'll see your billing information, renewal date, and subscription options. Then click Cancel Subscription or Turn Off Recurring Billing, depending on the option shown on your account. Microsoft may offer you a discounted price or suggest switching to another plan. If you still want to stop automatic renewals, simply continue with the cancellation process. Now review the summary to see when your subscription will end and whether you're eligible for a refund. Finally, click Confirm Cancellation to turn off auto renewal. Once it's done, Microsoft will send a confirmation email, and your Game Pass subscription will remain active until the current billing period expires without any future automatic charges. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.